Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to determine the volume of a cylinder. So in this picture that we have here, this is an example of a cylinder. So the top and then the bottom, the shape of both top and bottom is a circle. And then this one is the height of the cylinder. To find the volume of a cylinder, that's equal to the area of the base times the height. The base that we have here is a circle. So this space right here, or surface at the bottom, this is our base. And then this is a circle, circular in shape. So then the area for that base would be pi, since the area of a circle is pi r squared. So that's the area of the circle. So the area of the circle is pi r squared times the height. That's how we got this equation for the volume of a cylinder. So again, area of the base is pi r squared. This part right here is the area of the base times the height is pi r squared h. So in this equation, our pi is represented as 3.1416, and then the r is the radius, and then the height is represented as letter h. Now, let's use this equation that we have here in solving for the volume of this cylinder that we have here. So, again, our formula for volume is pi r squared h. So I'm just going to use this equation over here. So, pi is 3.1416. Our radius here is 3 feet times our height here is 10 feet. So that's 10 feet. So then I multiply. By the way, this one right here should be squared. So that's 3 feet squared. So this would come out 3.1416 times 3 times 3 is 9. Feet times feet is feet squared times 10 feet. So by the way, the squared here should already be inside the parentheses. We multiply these three together. The final answer for this is 282.74 feet cubed, because you have a feet squared and a feet is a cubic feet, or feet cubed. So this is the volume for this cylinder. At this time, I would encourage you to pause this video and try this problem out on your own. And when you're done, pause it and check your answer. Okay, so we go over the problem here. Again, we have the formula here for volume, which we got from the first slide. So we're going to use that to find for the missing part of this, which is the radius in this problem. So we're asked for the radius of this cylinder. So we put in the values that we have here. Our volume is 75.3984 centimeters cubed is equal to the pi is 3.1416. The radius here is missing, so let's just keep it as r squared, and then the height here is 6 centimeters. So we can multiply these two together. So I'm just gonna write the 75.3984 out, that's centimeters cubed. When we multiply these 3.1416 times 6 is 18.8496 centimeters, and then we have an r squared. So then from here, we want r by itself, because that's what we wanted in this problem. We wanted to determine the radius for this cylinder. So we are going to divide both sides by 18.8496 centimeters. Divide this by 18.8496 centimeters. So then this one gets crossed out. So these two gets crossed out. And then for the unit here, we can cross out, since there are 3 centimeters here, we can take 1 centimeters from the bottom, and then we are left with 2 on top. So we are left, if you divide those two together, that is r squared is equal to 4 centimeters squared, because that's a square, because we took 1 of the centimeters. So from here, we are going to square root both sides, because we want the r by itself. So square root of r squared is just r. So square root of 4 is 2. And then centimeters squared, square root is just centimeters. And so this is the radius for this cylinder. Did you get the same answer as this? Good. Perfect. If you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more math videos. See ya!